Hi, in this video we are going to talk about HTML file structure. First, before we talk about HTML file structure, we can see that we have a symbol, an example of a web page. In our web page, we have the page name, where the page name is my first web page. And inside our web page, we have the hello, which is the content of that particular page. As we can see here, this is the web page. Which is this file structure of this HTML document? We can see we have the mandatory syntax that we have to use when designing your HTML page. Let's break this down into parts. First, we can see we have the doc type. The doc type basically tells the browser which version of HTML we are using. In our case, we are using HTML5, which is the latest HTML. Second, we have the HTML tags. The HTML tags contain all the other tags. The HTML tags basically says that everything in between those tags is our HTML page or our HTML document. We can see we have wrapped everything inside that HTML tags. The lang means the language, and this our in our case we are using English. When you go further, we have the head. The head tags basically contains all the important information about that particular web page or the metadata. The example of a metadata is the head. Our head in our case is a metadata which describes the title of that page, and the title is displayed on top of the browser. Let's break it down to our body tags. Our body tags actually contains all the content of that document, either be text, either be image, either be links, videos, and so on. Everything that you see displayed on your web page is enclosed inside HTML, inside the body tags. We have some key important points to note. That's the first one is that HTML tags all the tags can be inside other tags. In our case, we can see that the title tags are inside the head tags, and the head tags are inside the HTML tags. That's what we mean by HTML tags can be inside other tags. We use indentation to show that the structure of the tags. And the third one is that our HTML document as a tree structure. What do we mean by a tree structure? A tree structure basically looks like this. We have the HTML tags, which wraps the entire website or the entire document. But inside the HTML tags, we have two other sections or tags, which are the main. We have the head, which contains the metadata, the title, and other meta tags. And then we have the body tags. The body tags contains all the other documents or the other links or the other content that will be displayed as your output. Let's put this into practice. Let's use our Visual Studio Code. We say that we have the HTML tags. As we can see, we have enclosed our HTML tags, and then our head tags, and our head tags. Inside our head tags, uh, then we have the body tags. We have the body tags. Everything that we see here should be displayed inside the body tags. In our heading tags, we have our title. Our title, in our case, we can call our title as the first web web page, and that is the title. Let's see if this is the case. Open your browser, reload, and now we can see here this is our first web page. That is the title, that this one here. Inside our body tags, we have all other content. For example of this content, as we said, we have the heading tags. The heading tags, we have these heading tags. We can say hello, save, Come and refresh, and you'll see that now we have displayed our content, our actual content, which is hello and is inside this HTML, these body tags. When it comes to the break it down of these examples of elements or the HTML elements, we have the headings. As from headings, we have heading 1, heading 2, we have heading 3, all the way to heading 6, which is the minimum one. But we can try to see hello, this one, same thing, and see and try to see the difference. Refresh your page, and now we can see that we see H1, H2, H3, and H6 that have they are varying in size. We also have other HTML tags or HTML elements that we have also the P, the paragraph. P means basically the paragraph. Paragraph, we can say hello world, and when you refresh, you can see that we have our output already printed in our browser. That's it when it comes to the HTML elements and tags, or how to structure your HTML page. This is the basic syntax. Makes use of the HTML tags that encloses all the HTML document. Then we have the heading where we have to contain the title and other meta tags. Everything that is displayed as the output is enclosed inside our body tags. Thanks guys for attending the lesson. See you in the next one.